Hi everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Hope you all are staying healthy. In today's video, we'll learn how to make a perfect instant Bittergourd chips, that's Karela chips. That's super crispy from outside, as you can hear, and very tasty from inside. And you won't feel the bitterness while having it. It's a great snack to enjoy during tea time or even as a side dish with meals. So let's learn how to make instant tasty Karela chips at home in an easy way. So let's begin. Here I have taken slices of 2 Karelas. A quick beginner tip on how to cut these slices. For that I have taken 2 Karelas which I have washed and pat dried them. Now chop the ends. Do not peel or unseed the Karela, you can directly start slicing it. Now cut the slices as shown, and this is how it has to be. It's a medium slice, neither too thin nor thick. Continue slicing. Now this is done. Now continue with the other one too. Now to this we're going to add 1 lemon juice. So squeeze in the lemon juice. And then we're going to add little salt. Now mix it well and allow it to rest for 15 to 20 minutes. Now with this marination, the Karela will release good amount of water. Now it's been 20 minutes and it has released water and there is enough moisture in the slices now. Now to this we're going to add the flowers and spice powder. So let's see. Here I have taken 1 tablespoon of rice flour. All are taken in equal quantity. Then 1 tablespoon of gram flour and 1 tablespoon of corn flour. Now I have taken 2 tablespoons of Kashmiri red chili powder. You may use normal chili powder if you want more spicy. Then half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of garam masala and 1/4 teaspoon of asafoetida. That's hing. Now combine the flours and the spices to Karela slices. Remember we had already added salt to it. So add salt only if required. I had added little less, so I'm going to add little more to it. Add little salt if required only. And then combine all well until the mixture is well combined with the Karela slices. Remember each and every slices needs to be coated well. The moisture itself was sufficient for me to combine it. If you feel it's too dry, you may sprinkle little water. Otherwise, no need. Now let's move on in frying them. Keep the flame on medium and place a kadai. Add sufficient oil for deep frying. Once oil heats up, remember it needs to be really hot, and then add the slices one by one. Do not overcrowd it. A quick tip, do not stir immediately once you have added the slices as the coatings will come off. So leave it for some time and then you can stir it. Now fry the Karelas until they are cooked on both the sides and they turn crispy and golden in color. It took around 4 to 5 minutes and the Karelas are well fried, as you can see. So remove it by draining off the excess oil and then place it in a paper towel. Look at it. A super crispy and a tasty Karela chips is ready. Isn't this a very simple one? It's a super simple instant Karela chips. To enhance its taste more, we're going to add one more ingredient to it just before serving that we will see soon. So the first batch is done. Continue frying the remaining Karelas. If you follow these steps correctly, you will get each and every slices to crispy and crunchy. Look at it. Now even this is done. So remove it from the oil. And then it's ready to serve. Each and every slice turned crispy and crunchy. As I said, just before serving, sprinkle little chaat masala over it and then add some fried curry leaves. This will enhance its flavor and taste. A super tasty and an awesome Karela chips is absolutely ready. Do try this Karela chips recipe and you will truly love it. Hope you like this recipe. If so, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so, and also like and share it. Soon we'll be coming up with another interesting recipe. Until then, take care of yourself, stay healthy and safe. Thanks for watching. Happy cooking. Bye bye.